Hello everyone, welcome to DevOps for your family. My name is Rajeshwara. Today we are going to explore how can we deploy a Windows 2022 image or the base image having the Windows 2022, and using terraform we are going to deploy the ec2 instance. Okay, let's start the demo now. So all the I have created a file name called ec2 windows.tf. So as you know, all the terraform file should be ending with .tf. Okay, so I haven't gone through the provider and output or anything. So already we have deployed Ubuntu server last in my previous video. This is just a extension, or I can say the same ec2 but with Windows. So this is a Linux deployment, and today we are going to see the Windows deployment, ec2 deployment. Okay, so now first let me command this one so that we will not going to create this again. And probably before that I need to destroy the existing one. So in the meanwhile I will just, I have a destroy command already in place, so that will take care of my, unless, okay, so dot slash ps, but eventually it will ask, or it will prompt me for the confirmation. Once I confirm, I think we are good to go with explore the ec2 Windows instance. Okay, this will run. Okay, let me go to, and meanwhile, so this is the same resource block, resource AWS instance DevOps server. I need to uncommand this one. Okay, so resource AWS instance DevOps server Windows 2022. So, and the AMI will change, because if you see here, the AMI is something 4 offending with this one, and this is 2.4. So as I said, AMI will change based on the OS and the region, and the instance type is T2 micro, and the security group, where I haven't explained anything about security group, but eventually it's a software firewall that will allow your incoming connection to the server or the ec2. So here I'm using user data function to install Choco. Choco is a kind of a package manager for Windows. Chocolatey, like Ubuntu, we are having apt and Red Hat. That will be a yum package manager, right? So likewise, Chocolatey is a package manager for Windows. I'll be installing Chocolatey, and I'll be installing Google Chrome, followed by the Terraform. So after, once the ec2 instance is ready, while once we connected, we can able to see we are having a Google Chrome and Terraform install on the server, so we no need to install it manually. Fine. And here the server name will like tag with DevOps server Win 2022, and these are the additional tag I missed to show you in my previous instance, but eventually I'm just, let me check whether it's in terminated stage. Yeah, so this is for my Linux or the Ubuntu instance, and if you see, these are the three tags, and the name tag will be having the name tagged with here. Yeah, I will go and I will just show you here. This is the one, but for the Windows, the server name will like tagged with this one. Okay, so all remains same, and I have just created one more .tf file with this ec2 windows.tf so that we can deploy 2022 base image as a base OS for the ec2. And also I need to command this one because this is for Linux and this is for Windows, right? So after the deployment we will get the public IP of the server here after the execution. So let us begin the terraform. Yeah, probably what I will do, I will go to bash and slash deploy, right? No, plan. This will do the things for us. We are automating the ec2 and also automating the terraform command also. So that was a very quick way to get the things done, right, without keying the manual command. Okay, now it will wait for our input to confirm the resource deployment. So this is the desired configuration what we are having. It will deploy three resources. If you see before, I think in the Linux we are having only one resource. Let me check why it's showing two resources. So probably it's running. Okay, so DevOps server, and I think it should be not the case here. It should be security group here. Yeah, so I think I need to check the security group also here because we have allowed in the ingress, that means incoming traffic, we have allowed 22. For Windows it will be like 3318, that is a port number, right? So I need to just change that one, and let me just type no here and let me rerun the plan again. Yeah, let us wait for the terraform to run the plan, and it will wait for our confirmation to deploy the resources. Let us quickly check what is going to deploy. So currently it's going to deploy three resources. So what are those? So first will be DevOps server. Yeah, you see I have not commented out this one. This is our Linux server, but our aim is to deploy only the Windows instance. So I'll be just commenting out this one, and probably I'll say no again. Okay, okay, I'll just go and say no, and one more time. This is the final time. This time we can able to see only two resources going to deploy. One is the Windows server, another one is the security group. And the security group we are only going to allow 3389. We have disabled the 22 port, that is SSH port. If you see, yeah, 2 to add and 0 to destroy. So what are the resources it's going to add? Now let us see. This is the Windows 22 server, and the next one, if you see, this is the tags, and this is the security group, and this is the egress and ingress 0, and this will be 3389. Yeah, fine. So here it's saying allow SSH. Okay, fine. That should be that we can just update once we create the resources. So now it's creating. Meanwhile, I will go here and see where it's saying allow RDP. Yeah, here the name is allow SSH. So why? Because previously we are used this one, right? So what I will do, name allow RDP. Next time if I run this one, it will the name should be allow RDP if I apply this next time. Okay, let it create now. Yeah, so if you see this was created, and again I'll be just planning out to see or update the name of the security group, because previously it was allow SSH, and in the plan it will clearly show us that this is going to change from allow SSH to allow RDP. That's what we have defined in a declarative way, right? So yes, I think it's going to, since I have changed the name, it's going to force replace the security group. Okay, fine. That's not going to bring anything down, right, or create any issue. So I'm fine with that replacement of that one. So it will destroy and recreate the security group, and the name will like change from allow SSH to allow RDP. Yes, fine. So in the meantime, let me go to the console, and you see this is the server name. This is what we declare, right? DevOps server win 2022. And if you go here, if you go to RDP, and you need to just encrypt the private key to get the password. So that's what I already explained you before. So yeah, this is the password. So now still it's creating. So once it's done, let me check in the console, was it attached to this instance or not. I go here, security, still it's showing allow SSH. This needs to be allow, still creating. Okay. Okay, in the meanwhile, let me check whether I can able to connect this server. I don't know like it allowed or not. Let me get the public IP. Okay. Yeah. So the default name is username is administrator. Okay, and I have decrypt the password. Yes, fine. Yeah. So we are getting into the server now, and our expectation is we should see the Chrome and the Terraform installed on the server. That's what we declared in the script, or that's what our expectation. Meanwhile, let me check what this guy is doing. Still It's destroying and recreating. Okay. Yeah, come on. Yeah, you see. So now the Google Chrome is installed, and if I go to command prompt and run terraform, we should get the terraform command work. Terraform. Okay. Yeah, it's working, and just type terraform. We should list all the terraform commands. Yes. So now we have successfully deployed, and if I go and check the Windows version, yeah, we have deployed the base OS in Windows 2022 server, right? Fine. And we are having the Google Chrome installed. Okay, fine. So now what I will do, I think I don't need to have this now. I'll just destroy everything because we have already deployed resource what we have planned already, right? Yes. So now it will destroy the security group and the instance. I think the connection will get disconnected. Yeah, because we have destroyed, right? You see security group is destroying and server 2022 is destroying. If you go to the console and see, it will the instance stage will change to terminated. Yeah, shutting down. Yeah, it's terminated. That means we have successfully launched or deployed Windows Server using Terraform, and we have installed the Google Chrome and Terraform in our Windows EC2 instance. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Let us meet on the next video. Take care. Please subscribe and share if you like this is useful to others.